Hey everyone, in a recent announcement, Xiaomi launched its Xiaomi Pad 7 series alongside the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro smartphones, bringing high-end tablet experience to Chinese market. The series includes two models, Xiaomi Pad 7 and the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, each designed to meet the needs of tech enthusiasts with premium specifications and productivity-focused features. At the heart of Pad 7 series is impressive 11.2-inch LCD display with stunning 3.2K resolution of 3200 by 2136 pixels. With a refresh rate of 144 Hz, the series offers seamless visual fluidity for gamers and content consumers. The display reaches a maximum brightness of 800 nits, ensuring clarity even in bright environments. An optional nanomatte screen with AR optical coating and AG nanotexture further enhances visual experience, reducing glare by 99% and reflection by 65%. This matte option offers added comfort for reading, drawing, writing, catering especially to users who prioritize glare-free visuals. Powering the Xiaomi Pad 7 is Qualcomm's third-generation Snapdragon 7 Plus processor, designed for effective multitasking and performance. For those requiring more power, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro features the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, a capable choice for demanding work tasks and immersive gaming. Xiaomi's proprietary HyperCore technology improves cold start time by 13% and boosts multitasking efficiency by 69%, ensuring smooth navigation and responsiveness across tasks. Both models come with Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 2, providing enhanced multitasking capabilities. The system introduces a desktop mode with a more intuitive, PC-like interface, allowing users to sync content across Xiaomi devices with a cross-device clipboard. This feature lets users seamlessly move between their Xiaomi phone, tablet, and even PC, a significant advantage for those looking to bridge their devices for maximum productivity. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro stands out with a 32 megapixels front-facing camera and a 50 megapixels rear camera, enabling high-resolution photos and quality video calls. The standard Xiaomi Pad 7 is equipped with an 8 megapixels front and a 13 megapixels rear camera. With AI-based image enhancements, the series ensures sharp visuals and improved image quality in various lighting conditions. A robust 8,850 mAh battery powers the Xiaomi Pad 7 series, providing ample usage time for extended sessions. While the standard Pad 7 supports 45-watt charging, the Pad 7 Pro is upgraded to 67-watt fast charging, ensuring quick and efficient power replenishment. Crafted from sleek metal, the Xiaomi Pad 7 series is only 6.18 millimeters thick and weighs 500 grams, making it a portable yet sturdy choice. The series also features an optional floating keyboard accessory with a full-area mechanical touchpad and a 64-key adaptive backlit keyboard, making it ideal for productivity on the go. The tablet is equipped with 4 speakers that support 4-channel surround sound, providing an immersive audio experience. It is also certified by TÜV Rheinland for reduced blue light emission, minimizing eye strain during prolonged usage. Available in sky blue, cyan green, and black, Xiaomi Pad 7 series is competitively priced. Xiaomi Pad 7 series is now available for purchase in China through authorized retailers and Xiaomi's official website. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.